Okay, so after you purchase that RichRiser, so you will be redirected to this login page. So here you need to provide your email ID and password. So once you purchase, we have sent your email ID and password to your registered email ID. So sometimes it may be landed on spam folder, so you need to check it first, right? So once you get that email and you entered your email, registered email ID and password on this place, you simply click the sign in, then you will get that a RichRiser
Hey,
standard course, right? So I just want to let you know the simple architecture of this member area section of RichRiser. So you can see in the top bar all the upgrades and other services what we have. You can able to find these services here, and by default this RichRiser membership page, it has the two themes. So this is the one theme, you can see that entire course in this theme. In the same way, if you click on this avatar section, here you can select the another theme, it's called this one. If I select this theme, so this member area section will be
hey,
changed like this, right? So let I go back to that original theme. So
hey,
this is the original theme, right? So if you see in that right side, you can able to find your progress. So this progress will be automatically updated with the courses you have watched and completed, right? So these are all the sections. So currently this RichRiser having that 7 section. So this is the must watch section. So if I scroll down, if I click on this section, in the each section we may have more than one lessons, right? So it has that must watch, method overview, and this is the method overview and the resources. This is the thing what we are used to make $385 in the case study. So all the resources what I used, I have given everything on this lesson, and this is the main content with the things you can able to see. So it has a 1 2 3 4 5 lessons are there. So it is giving you that fine offer with free trial, the trick is included, and make tutorial video, that blueprint is included, and find easy to rank keyword revealed inside. How you can find that keyword I revealed inside this lesson. And that lesson number 7 is the framework to pursue traffic quickly. This is basically the traffic hack or ranking hack. I have revealed you what I used to make that $385 recurring commission for my own case study, right? And this is the secure top rank permanently, and I have included that case study is also. And as a conclusion, what you need to do next, I have given some more information about this, and also I have given you some fun quiz model. So this quiz will ensure your understanding about the strategy what I have speak with this member area, right? When you take this fun quiz, just I click this fun quiz, it will redirect you to the quiz section. This quiz is totally having only 6 questions, and you can attempt this quiz unlimited time. So when I click that start quiz, it will ask you that questions like this, right? So once I completed all the questions, so once you answered for that all the question, you simply need to click the submit button. So once you submitted your quiz is submit, and you can able to view your result for that quiz, right? So this providing this questions in a fun way, and providing that result and percentage and the download certificates, all are is to make this quiz session is a more fun activity. At end of the day, the intention of this quiz, you need to understand the concept of RichRiser. And also, as I mentioned inside on my sales page, you can access all of my bonuses, all the 4 bonuses you can access, right? So once you complete this course, this link will redirect you to upgrade your RichRiser with the Pro version. With the Pro version, you will get that a lot more advanced strategies what I use, and some more bonuses you will get, right? Thank you.